Dear Makassar, untuk kota, untuk klub, untuk pemain, dan untuk semua supporter dan keluargaku. First of all, I'm truly grateful and honored to have been given the opportunity to be part of this family. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Since day one, you welcomed me with open arms and appreciated me. I got granted a new home, Makassar. For the past 3 seasons, I had the honor to play with the great symbol of Makassar on my chest, and in this period we accomplished great things together. Every season, I developed myself again with your loyal support by my side. After discussing the future plans and ambitions of myself and the club, and after PSM decided to accept the offer on me and PSM agreed that this was best for me. I hope you understand that this is not easy for me, but also that this is part of the game. This isn't a goodbye, but a farewell. We are and we will stay family. I will be your Klok forever.